Is college a part of your future? Well, you could begin that future today by letting the Army and the Army College Fund help you. In the past, you could attend college by relying on scholarships and grants. But with school expenses rising and more competition, it may become very difficult for you and your parents to come up with the money you need. That's where the United States Army comes in. The Army College Fund is an educational incentive program offered to qualified young men and women entering today's Army. Here's how you qualify. If you have a high school diploma or higher, obtain a qualifying score on the Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery Test, are a non-prior service member, and enlist in one of the Army's skills that offer incentives, you are qualified for the Army College Fund. To participate in the Army College Fund, you must also be enrolled in the Montgomery GI Bill and have $100 deducted each month from your Army pay during your first 12 months of active duty. That's your contribution, $1,200. The Army College Fund supplements your Montgomery GI Bill. However, they are not separate entitlements or dollar amounts. Your Army College Fund and Montgomery GI Bill can give you a monthly check tax-free for up to 36 academic months, and that equals 4 years of college. You must be enrolled in a school or college approved by the Department of Veterans Affairs. Depending on your enlistment term, the combination of your $1,200 investment, the government's contribution to your Montgomery GI Bill, and the Army's contribution to your college fund amount to a considerable sum of money after you have honorably served your country.